At Boise State University, innovation isn't just a goal, it's a part of who we are. We call it blue turf thinking, a mindset that turns challenges into opportunities and pushes beyond what's expected to explore what's possible. You can see blue turf thinking in action inside the Surface Science Lab, part of Boise State's Micron School of Material Science and Engineering and the College of Engineering. Here, students are solving real-world problems in medicine, electronics, clean energy, even materials for space before they've even graduated. In the Surface Science Lab, students work with powerful tools to explore materials down to the atomic level, a world so tiny it's invisible to the naked eye. At the heart of the lab are 4 Atomic Force Microscopes, or AFMs. Think of an AFM like a super sensitive needle that scans a surface, creating a detailed 3D map that reveals textures, bumps, and even electrical properties that our eyes can't see. These microscopes allow students to study surfaces thousands of times smaller than a strand of hair. In the lab, AFM tools are used to explore how films are grown, how they respond to mechanical and electrical stress, and how emerging technologies perform under real-world conditions. But the lab's capabilities don't stop there. It also houses a one-of-a-kind tool in the Northwest, an advanced system that combines atomic force microscopy with infrared and light-based detection. This lets researchers identify what materials are made of with incredible sharpness, 100 to 1,000 times better than regular microscopes. Specialized techniques like Raman microscopy help confirm whether ultra-thin films, such as protective coatings, are forming exactly where they should. The Surface Science Lab is led by Dr. Paul Davis, Assistant Dean for Research and the Director of the lab. Dr. Davis helps students understand the synthesis and behavior of nanomaterials, using tools like ultrafast lasers to explore how materials behave in real time. He recently introduced a powerful microscope that allows students to study cells and molecules in stunning detail, giving them insight into how our bodies work at the microscopic level. Dr. Davis also leads the Fact Core Lab, where students design and test small-scale devices like sensors that could be used in advanced technologies or medical diagnostics. Dr. Corey Efaw, a research engineer and program alum, also guides student research. With expertise in atomic force and scanning electron microscopy, Dr. Efaw mentors students working on everything from magnetic materials to corrosion and clean energy. His students have explored DNA-based memory, materials for nuclear reactors, and lightweight metals for spacecraft, drawing on experience he gained at the Idaho National Lab working with lithium-ion batteries. Students in the Surface Science Lab work on projects supporting advancements within semiconductors in conjunction with Dr. David Estrada's Advanced Nanomaterials and Manufacturing Lab and Dr. Elton Grunyard's Atomic Films Lab. Some collaborations in the semiconductor field include the Center for Atomically Thin Multifunctional Coatings, where researchers focus on the design and development of cutting-edge coatings based on two-dimensional layered materials to improve the performance of electronic devices. Another collaboration is with the Semiconductor Research Corporation, a US-Japan partnership focused on creating cleaner, more efficient, and lower waste methods for manufacturing microchips. Students are also working with the Superior Energy Efficient Materials and Devices Center, a research initiative led by Cornell University, which advances energy-efficient microelectronics and helps train the next generation of scientists. The Surface Science Lab also plays a key role in biomedical research. The lab supports the Center of Biomedical Research Excellence Project, a 15-year NIH-funded initiative to build sustainable biomedical research at Boise State University. As part of this work, students are applying nanotechnology to biology by using rounded AFM probes to gently poke living cells, measuring how they respond to mechanical forces, an essential part of understanding tissue engineering and cellular health. With guidance from Dr. Paul Davis and Dr. Corey Efaw, undergraduate students are gaining hands-on experience exploring how these coatings enhance implant durability and functionality. Eric Grando is researching magnesium alloys for biodegradable implants, developing coatings that control corrosion while allowing the implant to safely dissolve inside the body. Swami Batista is working with Dr. Dave Estrada on atomic layer deposition, studying how ultra-thin coatings can be precisely grown, paving the way for more efficient devices. Hannah Clark is investigating copper corrosion and material defects in electronics, medical devices, and aerospace applications, helping design materials that are stronger, lighter, and more cost-effective. The Surface Science Lab gives students and faculty the tools to understand and improve materials at the nanoscale, answering questions and preparing for careers after graduation. Students don't just observe, they do the work alongside faculty, gaining real-world experience and contributing to nationally recognized projects before they graduate, becoming the graduates employers want in industries around the world.
So if you enjoy figuring out how things work, or making them perform better, or just understanding what things are made of at the smallest level, at the atomic or molecular scale, then Boise State Material Science Engineering might be for you.